All right, I'm taking a walk this morning, but I want you to see this video. If you are still struggling getting customers on TikTok, you have a product to sell, or you're struggling to get the right customers on TikTok, just watch this video.
20 new customers minimum every week using this method, okay? All you have to do is come to your search bar on TikTok. Now, I don't know about other social media platforms, but this one, on TikTok, just a watch. So I'll come to my search bar. Now, what I'm going to type depends on what I do. For example, let's say my business, I sell human hair, okay? So I'm going to come here and I'm going to type human hair wigs vendor, okay? So, I sell human hair wigs. Now, why I type out? Why am I typing this? I'm typing it because the people where I find, which is the people who won't buy human hair, okay? What do they do when they come to TikTok? Okay, they search normally. Okay, fine. So me too, I'm searching, right? I don't search, okay? I'm seeing some videos now. So click this, all right? I'm scrolling. It will get to a point. TikTok will do something. TikTok is going to do this. This right here is going to show you this, okay? Now, if you look at this heading, what did it say? Others searched for, like anything we say you search for, and that same thing, the way other people, they search for them, TikTok is going to show you. So other people are searching for original human hair wigs in Nigeria. Now, like that is exactly how they typed it. The same way I came to type human hair wigs vendor. This is what some other people are typing. Okay, original human hair wigs vendor in Nigeria, cheapest human hair wigs in Nigeria, real human. Like this way, we say them they type them like this. Me getting to know this is priceless. Why? Because all I have to do now is make videos using this as my caption. Now, I won't just use this as my caption and then I'm talking about something entirely different. No, you will make a video talking about, for example, original human hair wigs in Nigeria. I can say maybe in order to get original hair wigs, you have to check this, check that. This is how you be sure that it's original hair wigs, and this is what we are selling, blah, 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 blah. But the beauty of me making this kind of video is because the people that I'm looking for, this is exactly what they are typing to come and search. And if you know anything about keywords, you will understand if your title and your video is exactly like what somebody is typing, and your video will come up as results. Your business will get that visibility to these people when they search for these things. Now, the difference between this and Creator Search Insights is that this one is showing you exactly what they typed to search for it. Creator Search Insights will show you topics that, under marketing, these are the topics that, no, this one is not, this is what they typed. This is their search query. Like, this is exactly what they type. If you make a videos about these things and you caption it this exactly, for example, I'm saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is idea for 6 videos. Human hair wigs for women in 2025. People are typing exactly what they want. Now, you've seen it. Make a video about it. The beauty is that whatever views you get on that video, those are the views that will bring customers. Because the main source of those views is search engine. Yes, people will won't buy your market. When they go search, now the people will be say the view your video be that. So if you're a business owner and you know you are not just a skit maker that wants to just get views, a business owner that wants customers, this is what you should do. By the way, you need to see this. For example, let's say I sell kitchen items, kitchenwares. So I'm going to go and search kitchenwares vendor. So I don't search kitchenwares vendor. Abi, good. It's bringing me videos. I like this. Okay, good. Can you see this now? Now, it's telling me what other people are also typing to search for. So they are searching for kitchenwares vendor in Ghana, kitchenwares vendor Lube Abuja, Nigerian vendor kitchenwares, Ilorin kitchen utensils, blah, blah, kitchen vendor in Ilorin Kwara State. Now, one thing you will notice about this is that unlike the human hair, the people are just searching, you can see the user behavioral pattern here. They are always adding location for something like this, right? Kitchenware vendor in Ghana, kitchenware vendor in Lube Abuja, Nigerian vendor kitchenwares, okay, that will not get, but the others, Ilorin kitchen utensils, Oshobo vendor, a kitchen vendor in Ilorin Kwara State. Like, people are adding location to this. This is the behavior of people that search for things like this. What does this show me? When I'm making my own video, I will add location because I have been shown how they do it. You get what I'm saying? And also, it gives me ideas like Nigeria vendor kitchenwares. These are ideas on videos to make. Let me show you one last one. Okay, so maybe I'm hungry. I want to eat. So I'm going to come search for food vendor. I need a food vendor, right? Okay, so I'm in Lagos. So food vendor in Lagos. Okay, good. Now I'm saying some yummy stuff. Nice. If you get to a point, you still see that same thing. Keep going, keep rolling, whatever, just keep scrolling. Boom. Can you see this? It is showing you that others searched for best online food delivery in Lagos. This is exactly what they type to search. Food vendors in mainland Lagos. Food vendors in Lagos 2025. 24-hour food delivery in Lagos mainland. Food tray vendor in Lagos Lagos 2025, 247 food delivery in Lagos. Guys, when I see this is the next 6 videos that I'm going to make. Yeah, I'm just going to screenshot it. And my next video is best online food delivery in Lagos. That's the caption. And in fact, that's the way I'm starting the video when I speak. Best online food delivery in Lagos is here as blah, 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 blah. And then I'm showing people different things. Anybody will come search for this thing now, then go see me. This is one of the efficient ways you come up in search results because you are making your video based on exactly what people are searching. Creator Search Insights is showing you topics of different categories. This is showing you the exact search query, exactly what they type. This is powerful. Your business would never be the same again. Thank you for watching.